with the thermal heat house project?
I learned that when you heat the inside of it, it keeps the heat on the inside. So when you see the temperature on the outside, it's actually colder on the outside because it's keeping the heat on the inside.
Okay, and how did you know that?
Because the first time we did it, before we put the foil and cotton in for our insulation, the windows are like anywhere from like 80 to 113 degrees. But after we put the insulation in and the foil covered the windows to keep the heat inside, and we put some cotton above it, behind it, just in case the heat went through the foil. The light went through the foil. The cotton ball, and we just kept it in there, and the heat, it was cool on the outside, and it was hot on the inside. Like we did it on the inside, we did the laser, and on the outside we did the laser, and on the inside we did the laser, and on the inside it was hotter. It was like 194 degrees, and on the outside it was.
Wow, that's really cool. Now, initially, when you had looked at the windows before you insulated and they were purple, what conclusion did you draw as a result of insulating and then, getting new readings?
Without the insulation through the windows, the laser was picking up the heat from the lamp because it went through, and the heat was also going on the outside. So the heat was also on the walls on the outside instead of keeping it in on the inside. So the windows were basically picking up the heat from the inside, but it kept going outside through it.
Okay. And what did you guys arrive at for the scale?
The scale, the purple was like 100 to 120 almost, and the red was 81 or 80 to 90. The green was 70 to 80, and the blue was 60 to 70, and the orange was 50 to 60.
Okay, so you guys found that the purple was actually the hottest temperature and the orange represented cooler temperatures.
Yeah.
Cool.
Because, we did that because the first time, it's kind of like what Charlotte said, because the light went through there, and I think the laser was actually touching the light and getting the temperature of the light, and that was purple. The windows are purple because of that. So that made it right.
Excellent. Thank you so much for sharing, girls.